Hey y'all, so I can't figure out how to delete stuff off my phone because it's like set up to get automatically stored in the SD chip or something. So that's where my storage is showing that it's full, and I normally have to transfer everything to my internal storage. I don't know, it's crazy. I think I'll focus on this piece right here. See how much of it I can get untangled. Because this is a section right here that's matted. So I guess I'll focus on this part. If I move my scrunchie from under this fan, I hope it don't mess up my setup. I'm so over this. I need to set an alarm. I have to get back to work. Oh gosh. It was like a wick. Where did my wick go? Then I'm gonna have to wash this stuff out, and I ain't gonna have time to wash it out before I go back to work. Be sweating bullets in this freaking van. I'd be so miserable. But I normally can use my fan, even though it's not much help. But it's some help if it's not too hot outside. But since I'm recording, I cut it off because I didn't want it to be too loud. It might be hope if I can get this part combed out, but the back part of my hair isn't the worst part to detangle. It's like the middle section. I'm gonna have to get a whole bunch of water to rinse this stuff out of my hair, which I don't have, but I guess I got some bottles of water that I could use to rinse my hair out and get low on those. I feel like it's not all the way detangled. Like, you know how you can feel like little pieces where it's just not smooth. But I guess there's still some hope. You can't even see. So much light outside. One piece down. After the next section, I'll set my alarm because it's like 4 something. I'm proud of myself. It's amazing what you do when you get rid of distractions. It is what it is. Whatever flows, flows. What crashes, crashes. Hey, that's what I truly believe in. Alright, so bruh, look, this is just really stuck. Bit by bit. Wasn't it a book called Bit by Bit? Or was that in the state I live in? And not worldwide or countrywide. This is ridiculous. It really is. I feel like somebody's watching me. Oh my gosh, this is a bit much. Damn, Brillo pad, sheep wool. Look at this mess. Freaking dread. I guess I can put that in with this. Put some more water. This is probably gonna be all day. And this stuff be stuck in my freaking hair. I can't wait to get off work. It'll be almost dark time by the time I get off. Since I'm starting late. I tried to start early. I don't be feeling like getting up. Oh man, it fell. And this is just like, look at this. Matted. Matted. There might be hope, you guys. I can get this done in 6 days. Oh, sound like the fire about to start. Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? That song stuck in my head from my vacation. My birthday vacation. When am I going to post that? I'll post that one Saturday. You will have already seen it if you choose to tune in. I did say I was going to set me an alarm so I could know when the time is up. Oh, I ain't get to the root part right here. I should have went to my park where I have like a little bit more privacy, not as many people close together. I need to see what time it is. But once I start something that I need to do and I got like a good momentum, it'd be hard for me to stop. Oh, crap. At least my curls come back easily. I just gotta, I don't know. Where do I begin? I hate to feel like people watching me. Alright, this is the last section. Then I'm going to set an alarm. I know I said that, but I told you how I get. Oh, this is matted for real. All up in here, so matted. Look. Y'all remember them commercials when they used to make them crazy faces like, why my face look retarded? My daggone stuff fell down here on the floor and I don't feel like getting it. Frick. I don't like making noise. I like to be inconspicuous, but somebody already sitting over there. Put the whole bottle in this head, boy. Tell you. This is a mess. Whole freaking mess. I'm so over this. Don't make no sense. I guess I do this part. What is this? What is this? Bruh. I done lost my scrunchie. Probably sitting on it. Comb. Oh, one person left and then somebody else pop up. This is so annoying. Stay losing stuff in this freaking van. Probably need some more water. Recording on 2 different phones. It's so annoying. I had to transfer stuff over. I don't know what to do. It's so tangled right here. Goodness, look at this. This gonna take a miracle, like I said. I'm about to just dread them up. Dread them up, dread them up. Ew, dread them up. The struggle. Look. Can't find my freaking And then putting all this stuff in my hair conditioner, it makes my hair get like flaky because it's not washed. But it's like washing it makes it too dry, so I don't be knowing what to do. I need somebody professional, because this stuff about to start a fire. Ooh, look at this. Dread it. Oh my gosh. Dread it, dread it, dread it. If I didn't have to go to work, I would love to take care of this, but unfortunately, somebody got to pay my bills. 13 minutes already? Oh my gosh. I might have to come back and show y'all the end result, because look at that. Look at this. That's wild, bro. Really wild. I don't think I can save that. I cracked my tooth with this tongue ring. Do y'all think I'm ever gonna get this free? Ever get this apart? Is that my little baby squirrel running around? I was feeding him my peaches and some bread I had. This is wild. I'm so over it. I don't even... I need to see what time it is, but I can't really move my phone because... Let me see what time it is. Alright, so I got my alarm set. Ugh, my fingers all shriveled up. Taking out this nest from my head. They might build a nest outside in their little tree or something. Alright, I gotta get a section because, yeah. I wish I can get down to the scalp part. Drop my water bottle. I just can't win. Can't even see my scalp no more. Look at this. Guess that's all that new growth. But what good is new growth if it's all tangled up? I'm tired now, but that's probably because I know I gotta work for the next couple of hours. And I want to wash this stuff out of my hair. I don't know how long I can leave it in. Chill. Ain't no way. Feel the mats. It's like a matted dread almost. I normally would finger detangle it, but we're past that point now. So much hair is coming out. My clothes is going to be so dirty. How am I going to go into an establishment looking like this? Hair on my hand is just so disgusting. And it won't get off. I can't even see. Guess I'll see it later. There might be some hope. I don't like to give up on things. So, my alarm will be going off in like the next half hour. So maybe I'll see if I can get half of this done. Half of my head done in the next half hour. And I guess tonight, once I get off and bathe in here, I'll work on getting my hair untangled. The rest of it, the other side, depending on how much I get done before I go back to work. Y'all loud. Stop being so loud. Oh man, sometimes I hate big tooth combs because you can't get them small little knots. I think this was worse than last time. What y'all think? Last time it didn't take this much. This stuff is really matted. Like up in here. Oh my goodness. I don't know how it be happening. Like I wake up in the morning, I'll spray water on my hair, and I'll just like put gel on it and brush it back and put it in a ponytail and put my little head thing on. And it just gets matted in the middle. But I really think I need to I was about to say shave. Cut my ends because I don't know. It just seems like it get a lot more tangled when like your ends are bad. Maybe I should start with the easier parts first. Let's see. Like this whole part is a dread. Like I have no idea how I'm going to do this. Y'all might see me with a regular. My 2009 regular. Look at this. This whole section just won't move apart. I have no idea how I'll get to the bottom of this. Literally. This is starting to look embarrassing now. Deal with the things in your mind, or everything around you will reflect it. It will reflect what you got going on in your mind. For real. Sheesh. Look, man. This is just a whole disaster. What a tangled web we weave, literally. This is just a representation of my life. And I'm so thankful to be getting it together right now. I ain't trying to get deep on a hair video, but this is real. At least it ain't really breaking off, so I don't know. Uh-oh, I see a little scalp there. Hey, scalp. Hey, scalpy poo. This is a shame. I don't know. Man. I don't appreciate losing my scrunchie. Oh, this is just not going to stay up. Well, you guys get the point, so I guess I'll come back in the end. I feel like I'm gonna run out of space on this phone, so I already ran out of space on my other phone. That's why I'm recording on this one. Oh my gosh. So it's kind of long. Long mat balls. It's like I try to untangle it and then make it work sometimes, depending on how I pull at it. Oh my gosh. Welcome to Unconverted Van Life. Solo female traveler. Need to travel between these mat balls. That's what you need to be doing. Get things in order, honey. All the way. I got a lot of decisions I'm making soon, so yeah, this is just the start of it. Getting everything back on track. I don't know if I can get to my scalp. I'm sweating bullets. I need the fan. I don't know if it'll be too loud. I think them crows waiting for my hair so they can build them a nest. They're like, hey, it's already matted, so all we gotta do is just grab it and put it in the tree. It's be a nice little nest for our babies. We ain't gotta do nothing but pick it up and put it together. Alright, y'all. I think I'm gonna run out of space, so I'll see you guys, I guess, towards the end, or if I get to something else more interesting. I don't know if you can see this, but like, look at this. My hair looks so short because it's so matted. This, like, literally, all of this, I cannot get to my scalp at all. I don't understand how my hair got like this. I used to be thinking people put stuff in my hair products to make my hair get like this. I did use one of my old hair products, some gel from a couple years ago that I left when I moved to Cambodia, so I don't know. I know I won't use it again. I don't even know what you can see. Hey y'all, so my alarm went off. I've been up here struggling, trying to get this, I don't know, separated. I was trying to put it into like 2 different sides, but this is all that I came up with. I need to put my little head thing on when I go to work because my hair isn't decent right now. So I guess I'll see you guys when I get off and when I get settled and trying to get this stuff yeah, taken care of. So I'll see you guys then. Hey y'all, I look real crazy. I just got done work, running my errands. I'm not fooling with this hair, but I gotta bathe. I hate that process. It's dark and late at night. I gotta find a parking lot to go bathe and try to wash my hair out. I found a couple bottles of water and I got a little bit of water left in my gallon, so we're gonna make it work today. Last bit of water I'm about to use to try to rinse my hair out. I'll try to be a little bit more discreet and use the light from my fan. You can't really see. Still matted. It don't matter. Don't matter. Matted either way. Just wanted to rinse some of this stuff out my hair. I forgot I put this daggone twist in my hair. Hurry up and get out of here. That struggle is real. Hey y'all, so my hair looks halfway decent, but I didn't even really do too much to it. but it's still matted in the back. I just think, you know what? My hair just really needed some hydration, but it's still really tangled, even though it doesn't look tangled. But like back here, it's like matted right here and like right here. But I think I can manage. I really would like to just detangle my hair right now, but I need to get to work. So yeah, I mean, I could not work, but it's busy right now, so I'll get to work, get a couple hours out the way. Hopefully I could, you know, do a load of laundry today, and maybe while I'm doing my laundry I could detangle my hair. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey y'all, oh my gosh, I look a freaking mess. Anyways, I just locked my keys in the car. It's been such a long freaking day. I was supposed to go detangle my hair and then bathe and then detangle my hair, but I locked my freaking keys in the car. I'll be back when I get settled and get to detangling this stuff. I need to get this done. Hey y'all, so it's like 11 o'clock at night. My laundry is finally in the dryer. I'm really about to try to hurry up and get my hair untangled. It's not as bad as it was. It feels, you know, really hydrated, but it's still tangled. Let me see. This is my stress area. It probably look a little bald right there, but that's because how my hair was laying down. Alright, so the least I can do is just wet it. And I might put some more moisturizer in it. You can't really see what I'm doing because it's so dark in here. And I don't want to cut the light on. Is this the right one? Okay. This stuff is so thick. Ooh. I need all the hydration I could get. Killing two birds with one stone. Finally getting this laundry done. And finally trying to get my mat bowls together. Look at this. This is just ridiculous. I wish I could see it. Like, can't get to my scalp. This is wild. So wild. I need to do it in sections again. I need some more water, I guess. I need to pay attention to time. I'm tired of worrying about time. Time. Whew, this is a job in itself. If I could maybe get it into like a 2 sides and then work on one side. And look at this. Mat balls. Cannot get to my freaking scalp. I'm trying not to rip my hair out. This is just, I can't fathom how my hair is like this. I'm telling you, I'll be thinking somebody be putting stuff in my hair products. If you could really see this, this is like, look, stuck. Craziness. Whew. How did we get here? Got a wick right here. Y'all think I'm lying. Like, this is gonna take, I don't know, a couple of days, because what is this? This ain't even like hair no more. What is, child? I'm about to dread this stuff up. We about to have some dreads over here, because I can't do this no more. Child. Oh my God. I cannot believe this is the worst my hair has ever been. Life is just crazy. This is just ridiculous. It's sad. It's really sad. Like I said, a tangle where we weave. This is stuck. All of this is just stuck. I can't believe this. This is craziness. If I had a little comb, I could. Child, this is really wild. I really don't know how we're going to get to the bottom of this. Literally. I can see how, well, you can't really see the tangles, but Look, it just... Thumbnail? Oh my gosh, bro. This is just no joke. Like, I don't know. This is going to take a couple days. Look. Look at this, y'all. Look. I'll come back if I make some progress, because I probably run out of space. I don't want to rip it. I swear somebody be making my hair tangle with stuff in my hair products. If I can get this little mat ball out, I will be so happy. Alright, we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. This is how I normally be detangling my hair. I know it sounds like it's harsh, but I'm just like pulling it apart. Working these mat balls down to the end, I guess, or just trying to pull it apart. Whew. I might have some hope, y'all. I might have some hope for this stuff. I am going to put it in protective styles. Make sure this door, nope, my door wasn't even locked. Just put it in protective styles from now on, because if I don't have the means to take care of it, I just have to keep it in protective styles from now on. So this is what I'll be doing until I get it all the way to the end, or yeah, I can comb it out, and yeah, hopefully I can get it done before my clothes is done. They only going to be in there for like a half hour. So I wonder if I could get this side done, or part of it. Ooh. So yeah, this is what I'm doing to get this mat bowl. It's just stuck all right here. All right here. Stuck, matted. But this seems to be working. I'm pulling it apart. So this part is like stuck. Really like a dread almost. Look at this craziness. Whew. So I got a lot of it detangled, but it's still, oh, I guess I'll be working through this, I don't know, for the next couple days. I don't know, I wish I can get this stuff done tonight and be done with it. It's going to take a lot more patience than what I have, but it's almost there. I mean, I got a ways to go, but it's a lot better than what it was. Oh, I cannot get to my scalp. I gotta work it all the way to the bottom, and then I don't know. Alright, so yeah, this has been me trying to detangle my freaking hair. It probably don't look that bad because it's like moisturized, but I really have to finish detangling it. So I guess I'll see you guys if I finally get it done.